Good night, Will.
In a great glee room, there was a telephone and a red balloon in the picture of the cow jumping over the moon. There were 3 little bears sitting on chairs, and 2 little kittens, and a pair of mittens, in a little toy house, and a young mouse, and a comb in the brush, and a bowl full of mush, and the quiet old lady who was whispering, "Hush, and I will, and I will." Good night, cow jumping over the moon. Good night, white and the red balloon. Good night, bears. Good night, chairs. Good night, kittens, and good night, mittens. Good night, clocks, and good night, socks. Good night, little house, and good night, mouse. Good night, calm, and good night, blush. Good night, nobody. Good night, Nash. And good night to the old lady whispering, "Hush, stars, and I boys everywhere." The end. Thank you for liking this book. What do you like this story? If you go like me, you're going to comment below, okay? Bye.